Here we have a 2017 BMW 335d XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all unmarked and in excellent condition. We have the blue exterior paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, we have the two gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the front splitter, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Side skirts along the bottom, we also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top, we have the gloss black rear spoiler. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Round to the rear you find we have the rear diffuser with a twin pipe exhaust. And then walking back round to the driver's side now, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look then at the interior, if we come into the back first, you find we have the leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We also have the vents down there for the rear passengers. Electric windows on the doors. We also have the same full leather interior for the front, and there is a look at them front seats. We have the electric mirrors, electric windows, child lock for the rear, automatic lights and automatic wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel. If we take a look inside, you find we have the digital screen in the centre just down there. We have the paddle shifters on either side, speed limiter and the cruise control buttons just there on the left. We've got the main screen here in the centre. If that's flickering, it's just the camera. It's not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. On here you find we have the sat nav. We also have the shortcuts down here, so if you click onto the telephone, you find we have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have the Bluetooth audio, the USB and the auxiliary for the media. We have the radio stations where you find the DAB, FM and AM stations. We also have the dual zone climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning. We have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes down there. Parking sensors button, we have the manual handbrake and also a nice leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.